Hello friends, this is CA Sandeep Modi. Welcome to our YouTube channel CA Sansar. Today in this video we are going to learn very important and basic formula in Excel, which is subtotal. Subtotal can be used for sum, as we all are aware of this, but with subtotal you can do sum, minimum, average, count. Many functions are there which apart from sum also we can do with subtotal. So in this video we are going to learn all the functions which we can do with subtotal that we are going to learn, and plus one bonus tip for handling changing data change every time. So as you can see, this is the dummy data of 4 states, 4 years and 30 states. Now this I want a total of 15, 16. One way is that you can select the data and see down, you will get the total. Or another method is you can here put some total, some formula, and with the help of range, enter, you got the total, which is 93 crores 2 lakh 75,000. And now you can drag it or copy paste it like this. You got the total of all the 4 columns. But here one problem is that if you do a filter here, put a filter here. Let me put a filter here. I have selected a data under the home tab, filter I am putting. And if you just want to select three data, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal, Assam, as you can see, you are getting still the total of all the columns. Here, so if you want the total based on your filter, how can you get it? That's where some subtotal comes into play. Here, let me put subtotal. Subtotal. SUB total. Tap. Here, all the options are there, which functions are used for subtotal. As you can see, you can get average, count, count a, maximum, minimum, product, standard deviation, product, sum, and sum. Now let me show you with sum, and then we'll explain you all the. So for sum here it's 9. So after bracket open, I will write here 9, and then I will give the formula range of data. As you can see, this is my range of data, C5 to C34, and then I will close the bracket. As you can see, we got the same answer. Your formatting was different, that's why we are not getting the answer. As you can see, we got the same answer, and everywhere is same. But the magic lies here. If I do a filter here on Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal, and Assam, as you can see, this three total is equal to my subtotal. So that's where subtotals comes into play, and this formula can be very handy when you're working on the big data and you're doing filter every time. This was how to use subtotal with some function was there. My bonus tip here is that if something is added here, for example, this is West Bengal. If I add one more, for example, now West Bengal 2, assuming. I know this is not a state, it's just I have added 2. And if I add something here, it will not be, you have to change the formula again and again if something is added. As you can see, we got an error here saying that update the formula. So this Excel is giving an error. It might not give you every time. So what you can do, always put your raw data in Excel table. Insert table, and my table has a header. As you can see, if I do formula now and add something, it will automatically get added in that. Now I have just changed the formula, and here also I will change the formula and put a complete data range. This how, if you add one more here, it will automatically get added in the formula. As you can see, this amount will be added in this formula itself. This was a bonus tip. Now let's learn all the other functions from here. Here 1 stands for average. What is the average of this? If you write 1 here, you will get an average. This is the average of all the 31 line items. If you will write 2, you will get a count which is 32. Count A stands for number of blank item, as you can number of items, and the count A gives the same answer. Maximum 4 stands for, this is the maximum sales in this year. 5 will give you minimum. If you want product, you can type 6. 7 stands for standard deviation. 8 stands for standard deviation product. 9 stands for sum, which we have already discussed. 10 stands for variation sum. This is variation product. This is again starting from that only, same series. This was all about subtotal. If you have any doubts about relating to subtotal, please write on the comment box. We will be happy to address all your queries. If you liked our video, please like, share, subscribe our channel CS Sansar. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.